Hey, you know what one finger said to the other finger? What? I am in love with you. I am in love with you. Huh? Hey, what do you call a tree that fingers grow on? What? What do you call a tree that fingers grow on? I don't know. A palm tree!
Hello puppetry enthusiasts! Welcome to the Puppetarians YouTube channel once again. Today we are going to make finger puppets and we are going to call them Fingerooz. Yes, Fingerooz. Isn't that a cool name? Yeah, we think so. But before we begin, you know what we want you to do. We want you to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and hey, don't forget to click on that bell icon so that you get notified whenever we come up with the next video. You know, this is how you can support channels like us. Alright? We are going to make these Fingerooz with a special kind of table and chair leg covers that are available online. Link for them is also in the description. You can check those out. But you get really nice knitted leg covers for tables and chairs. They will fit really snugly on your fingers, so they can be turned into really nice and quirky, crazy finger puppets. Let's get started then. Apart from the knitted leg covers, we are also going to need some googly eyes. I've taken 2-3 different sizes of googly eyes and our staple scissors and some multi-fix. You know, this is that contact adhesive that glues really nicely. You always see this on our channel, right? And some wool, different colored wool, but I've chosen the dark green colored wool for one of the puppets that we are going to make. So let's first make the hair bunch for this finger puppet, okay? So cut small strands of the wool and put them together and tie them at the center like this to make a small bunch of hair for one of the characters. Okay, the hair piece is ready. Now put some glue on top of the head of this finger puppet and paste the wool like this. Also glue 2 googly eyes. Remember, you can also make eyes with some white paper and black pen for eyeballs, right? You don't have to use googly eyes, but if you have them, then use them. There, so cute. Okay, now to give it some expression, let's make a mouth for this puppet. I've taken a small piece, really small piece of grey wool, and I'm going to paste it like this at the ends. Now glue it on the puppet's face like this. You can give it different expressions. It can say, "Oh," or the puppet can smile just with an open mouth. It depends on you what kind of expression you want to give it, okay? There, our first puppet is almost done. It's so simple. For the last touch on this puppet, let's take some red cloth. If you have a piece of red fleece, that will be great. Or really, it could be any color. I had red. And I'm going to cut it into a bow like this. And I'm going to stick this bow here. Yes, this will give our puppet an illusion of a neck and a body. There, I'm just going to stick the back of this bow like this. And then glue it on to the puppet, like that. There, it's done. Our first puppet is ready. And so soon, you saw? In practically no time.
Hey, hello. Hey.
Now let's make another puppet. We have 4 of these leg covers, right? So let's make a girl this time. Okay, I've chosen cream colored wool for the hair for this one. I've put the wool in a bunch and tied at the center exactly like we did for the first one, but just longer because this is a girl. So exact same procedure. I'm going to put some glue on top and then I'm going to stick this long wool hair on top like this. For this one, I've chosen little bigger googly eyes. You see, every time you make a choice for a puppet, what size of eyes, what size and color of hair, mouth, etc. You want to give these puppet, it gives a different character to the puppet. So we're just exploring and having fun, and that's what you need to do too at home when you make these puppets, okay? Okay, now let's add a pom-pom for a nose. I know for the first puppet we didn't give any nose per se, but why not try it with this one? Yeah, let's see how it looks. And then I've cut the same red fleece cloth into the shape of lips, and we are going to stick them like this here. If you like, cut a long strip of the red fleece and make it into a scarf for this girl. Tie the scarf around her neck like this. So cute. Aww. Hey, hello there. How are you? Huh? All good? And here our finger puppets, Fingerooz, are ready. Yeah, they have a clan, Fingerooz. See how happy they are? Laughing, dancing, playing. Now you also start making these Fingerooz and wear them on your fingers and perform for your friends and family. You can make small videos, take pictures and send us on the puppetarians@gmail.com. We will love to see what puppets you're making after watching this video, okay? Oh, hey, let's see what the Fingerooz have to say to each other.
Hey, you know what one finger said to the other finger? What? I am in love with you. I am in love with you. Hey, what do you call a tree that fingers grow on? What? What do you call a tree that fingers grow on? I don't know. A palm tree.
All right. So you remember we had 4 chair and table leg covers? We made 2 Fingerooz. Now 2 are still left. We need your ideas, your suggestions on what kind of characters should we give these 2 Fingerooz that are still blank. Okay, write your suggestions, your ideas, your comments in the comment section and let us know how you would like to see these characters turn out to be. We'll meet you soon again here making more puppets. Till then, let's play puppets.
This video is created by the Puppetarians. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon too so that you never miss another video from us. Let's play puppets!